Hello guys, in this tutorial we are making this beautiful macrame top. I break it down step by step on how to make this top, but if there's something you don't understand about this tutorial, kindly leave your question in the comment below. Let's go guys, let's go. First thing you should do is cut 3 strands of yarn very long. It's better it's too long than it's not enough, okay? Then I'll pin it to my mannequin, okay? Then I will start to braid it. I'll just continue to braid it like this till end. I think we all know how to braid. Just as you braid your hair, you continue to braid it like this till end. After weaving the cord, then I will fold it equal parts like this, you see? I'll fold it equal part like this. Then I will put it on my mannequin like this and pin this place. You bring it down like this, you see? Then I'll pin here. Then I'll pin here. Then I will pin here just to secure it down. Okay, so I will start to feed in the yarn. You see, I'll pass through the up like this, take it, you see, then I'll pass through the up like this, then I will just feed in all this place. I feed in 20 yarn here, and you should count it. It should be multiple of 4. I don't know if that is how it's supposed to be calculated. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be 4. This 4 makes 1. This 4 yarn makes 1. Okay, then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be multiple of 4. Then I put this green. This is the design I'm going for, Nigeria flag. Okay, so I put 6 here. There's a reason for that. Okay, there's a reason for that. So I will take this 2, put it here, take this 1 back, take this 2, put it here, and take this 1 back. Then I will knot this for now, okay? I will knot this for now. Then this yarn, then I will tie it back. So just as I did before, I feed in this place. Now I will start to feed in the side. Okay, you see? I will start to feed in the side. Make a hoop like this. Then take this yarn that you tie back and feed it in. You see? You feed it in, put it under, and you feed it in. I will do one more, then I will do the rest off camera. Okay, make a hoop like this. Take this one that I tie back, you see, the one I tie back like this, you pass it through like this, cross it, you see, you pass it through the hoop like so, tighten it, then you put it here. Okay, this is the one I feed in for the side. I did it in both sides. I pinned the side to hold it in place. So this is the middle. This one I tied. We will start from here. This is the side, okay? we'll start to work from here. This middle, not the side. You leave the side for now. So we'll take this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use the same color for yours. You can just use any color of yarn you like, okay? So this is 4 yarn. So what I will do, I'll take this, I'll put it on top of these 2. Then I'll take this, I'll put it on top of this one that I cross here. Then I'll pass it through this down, like so. You know Shambhala bracelets? Yes, you use the technique of Shambhala bracelet. This one is called square knot, okay? Then you take it like this. This one, you put it like this. Then you put this one on top. Then you cross it. That is one. You take this, put it on top here. Then you take this, then you now put it like this, you see? Then you now cross it under and do it like so. That's 2. That is why we are using multiple of 4. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then I'll take this, I'll cross it like this, put this on top. Then I will pass it through the down. I will do it once more, then I will finish the rest. Then you now take this like this, just the same way. Then you take it like this. You pass it through the down and cross it. So what I will do now, you see this first one that I made, I will take 2 from it. Then I will take 2 from the side, you see? This is 2 and this is 2. Then I will do the same thing that I did before, okay? Then just continue to macrame. It's remaining 2 here, so I will take 2 from the side. See the 2 from the side? And this is the straight one, and this is the side. I will take these 2 from the side. Then I will knot it. This is called square knot, and it's called Shambhala. If it's bracelet, they call it Shambhala. Okay, then I will knot it. Okay, you pick 2 from the side when you start the row, and pick 2 from the side to end the row. It's just repetitive. Okay, you just repeat the same process. You pick 2 from the side to start a new row, and pick 2 from the side to end the row. Pick 2 from the side to start the new row. Pick 2 from the side to end the row. Okay, the yarn I feed in for the increase is 13. Okay, then this remaining one is a multiple of 4 times 3. 1, 4, 4, 4. Then these 2 that is remaining, I'm going to take this and work it together with the one I tie at the back. I will square knot it like this, just the way we did before. Then I will take it again, square knot it like this. That's 1. Then I'll take this 4, you see it's 4. Then I'll square knot it. That's 2. Then this is 4. You see, I'll square knot it. Then I lose the back. Then I'll square knot. This one is remaining 2 here. Then I'll square knot this to this. You see? Then I will do the same to the other side. You see the side? You see the other side? Then I will just continue like this to the other side. Then go to the other row, continue like this to the other side. This is where I'm at now, guys. Take a look. I've not even tied it back, but everything just flattery in my body. I'll take these 2, you see. I'll knot it like this. This is 2 inches space. You make sure it's lined up with this first one you made. Then you just continue like that to the other side. Voila! Our beautiful top is ready. Tell me which country flag is this in the comment below, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, on the notification bell so you won't miss my updates. Thank you, guys. Bye.